Hello! Excited to be back for year 2 of the cooking challenge. Tonight we are going to make some chicken and asparagus with a lemon parmesan. So I'm going to walk you through all of our ingredients. Together this meal will feed a family of 4 and it costs under $20. So we have 1.25 pounds of chicken tenderloin that we pre-cut up, and then we have a bundle of asparagus. And then for our seasonings, we have some garlic powder, some Parmesan cheese, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. And at the end, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top.
The cookware needed for this recipe is super simple. Spatula, a pan, cutting board, strainer to wash the asparagus, a knife, and a pan to cook the asparagus with.
So to properly prepare our asparagus, we're just gonna chop off the ends of all of them. So we preheated the oven at 400, and we are gonna cook the asparagus for 10 minutes and check back then.
Serve the chicken and asparagus, and we're going to take lemon wedges. I'm sure there's a much more professional way to cut and present a lemon wedge, but here's what we got. And just squeeze it over your chicken and your asparagus, and dinner is served.